kind of like a fail, but not really. But here with the edge tutorial, I definitely struggled. Usually I don't struggle on my edges, I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. I always get them down pack the first go around, but today when I tried to put it on camera, it just wasn't working out. But I tried my best to film it as best as I could, so don't judge me not too much when y'all see the tutorial, because I'm gonna tell y'all now, I struggled, definitely struggled, and you will see that just a little bit. They still not as late as I want them to be, but yeah, I tried. So stay tuned for the next clip. Okay, so basically these are my edges, like before like I lay them clearly. But what I'm gonna do, what I like to use for my edges is either, what is this? The 24-hour excuse my nails. We're not gonna talk about how they got broken because I just got them done, but we're not gonna revisit that because that's a little embarrassing. But this is, hold on, I use the 24-hour edge tamer, this one, and then, or sometimes I'll use this one, the one that Sweetie paired with, that she paired with. So yeah, I use that one, or either or really. Today I'm probably gonna use this one today just because. So usually I like to take my comb with the small teeth and I scoop it out like this and I put it on my hand. I find that edge tamer lasts longer if you scoop it out and put it on your hand and then apply it to your hair, because if you put it on with your fingers, it's more than likely gonna melt and you can, you know, it gets greasy. So we're not taking any chances, so we're just gonna put it on just like that. Put it on our hair. I can't even see like that, but I'm doing the best that I can, yeah. Right, okay, so now basically you want your edges to be on ocean, like you want it to swoosh, like you want them to be on ocean, period. So okay, so basically I don't know why I stopped talking in this section, but basically all I'm doing is taking like my finger and holding my edge down while I comb like my edge into the rest of my hairline. So that's basically what I'm doing. It's nothing too complicated, but your finger basically helps shape your edge, like this, so if that makes sense. I wanted to. Yeah. Hold on. But yeah, we're finna mix it today. We're finna do both of them because I need these to come out right. I can't be telling y'all, I can't be trying to show y'all how to do it and it's not even doing right for me when I want to show. That don't make no sense. Hold on. Almost there. I legit cannot see what I'm doing right now. I need to, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna be looking right here, but you know, yeah, I'm doing this too, so yeah, bear with me for real. And I've seen the trend where girls cut their edges to like shape them better or help them look better, but I'm not cutting my edges, so yeah, I'm just gonna struggle until I get it right, because I'm not cutting my edges, I promise you. Basically all I'm doing is oh my gosh, bro. Basically all I'm doing is, you know, putting my finger here and then just, you know, shaping it. So as I comb it or as I'm shaping it, I'm kind of use my finger to kind of shape the edge, if that makes sense, like holding it in place. That's what I'm doing. I'm holding it in place, basically what I'm doing. Okay. y'all can see, but that's this side. Now I'm finna go and do the rest of the heads because this looks a mess. Like, that's embarrassing. So I'm struggling. Like, and usually, y'all, I don't struggle with my edges at all. I've never struggled with my edges. But it's like, as soon as I want to get on here and show y'all how I do my edges, they want to do the most. So now, yeah, it make it look like I don't know what I'm doing when clearly I already know what I'm doing. Just not in front of the camera, I guess. But we working on it. We working on it. And on top of that, these nails that's partially on my fingers not helping either. So, yeah. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna repeat the same steps that I repeated on the other side, placing my finger to hold it down and lay it and, you know, swoop it into the rest of your hair. Bro. Okay, so again, all I'm gonna do is take my finger and you basically see me shaping it and like smoothing it down with my finger. So what happened here is I had my edges out, but I don't know, I think I was combing it either in the wrong direction, so it ended up messing up the hair that I already had laid down in my actual hairline. So I had to redo that, and on top of that I had to do my edges, so bear with me. I hope y'all enjoyed that tutorial. Although I did struggle, but I tried my best. I'm probably gonna redo it or redo another one once I can like do my edges on camera, because I really can't see that much on camera. So yeah, hopefully I'll get another one out to y'all, like an updated one later on, like later this month or next month. But yeah, I try my best. They're not the best that they usually are, but it's gonna have to do it for today. I will see y'all in my next video.